What's up there, guys? Um, I'm here at the port of Port Arthur, and I am picking up a load here that is going to Oklahoma. And I was just looking at the video of Alex, the Asian My Show, and I did not know that every trucker was gonna shut down November 1st and November 2nd. But check this out. There is no trucks whatsoever here in the port. Usually, right over there behind that forklift is always full of trucks. But there's no trucks here at all. Neither on the other side. Look at this. No trucks.